Hello friends, this is Shivesh and you are watching The Beginner Guy. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files between two systems over wireless connection. This will happen through Wi-Fi. I will request you to watch this video till last minute, then only you will have complete knowledge about it. Here I will use Windows 7 and Windows 10 computer, and this trick will need Windows 10 computer. If both the system has Windows 7, then there is separate method which I already explained and link is given in the description. Now see, this is my Windows 10 computer and this one is Windows 7. Cursor for Windows 7 was not recorded, so I'm sorry for that. Now in Windows 10, I am connected to Wi-Fi and this mobile hotspot option is enabled. But when I disconnect it, it gets disabled. Unlike the mobile, where if you want to switch on hotspot, it will close your Wi-Fi. I will reconnect to Wi-Fi. Click on it. Now right click on it. Go to settings. Go to edit. Here type network name. Type anything you want. Choose any password. This laptop supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz both. But my other system supports only 2.4 GHz. So I will choose this option. Save it. Now go to Windows 7 system. Here in Wi-Fi section, you will see your newly made network. Connect to that. It will ask for a password. You can get it from here in Windows 10 system. It is testing1234. Type password here and it will get connected. In Windows 10 system, it will show the connected system. This Shiv PC is Windows 7 system with IP address and MAC address. Now open my computer, click on network. See here, two systems present. This desktop JN2E9GR is this Windows 10 computer and Shiv PC is Windows 7 computer. You can see here. Now double click on Shiv PC. Nothing is shown here. So go to your next system, that is Windows 7 in this case. Open my computer, right click on E, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, click on share this folder, then apply, then open. Open this E drive, check these files once. Now come to Windows 10 and refresh this page. Now see, that E drive is shown here. Open this. Now you can see all those files here. See, I have accessed it through network section. I will try to copy any file. See, the transfer speed is around 4 Mbps. I will skip this transfer. You may think that it is consuming Wi-Fi data. I will answer to that question later. Also, I will tell you what to do if you don't have Wi-Fi connection. Now go to Windows 7 system, then network. See, this is Shiv PC. Now open this desktop JN2 system. And now it is asking for username and password. Now come to Windows 10 first. Click on window icon. See, this Shivesh Srivastav is Microsoft account name, not the username. So come to C drive, go to users, and this is username shift s. Listen, you may be logging to your Windows 10 computer using fingerprint scanner or PIN or password, but in this case you need password only, not the PIN or fingerprint scanner. So type the password. Oops, wrong password. Typing again. It's open, but nothing here. Now again same process for Windows 10 too. See the files in E drive, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, tick mark, apply and OK. Come to Windows 7, refresh it. Now you can see the files. So either way you can access files between two systems. Copy these files, transfer speed is around 4 Mbps. Now what if you don't have Wi-Fi? You must have a smartphone, right? Turn on hotspot of your mobile. Don't worry, it has answer to the another question. Connect Windows 10 system to your mobile hotspot. See, my system is connected to my mobile. Now computer's mobile hotspot is on. Come to Windows 7. Connect to Shift Desktop Network. Now kind attention please. Opening browser. Speed test. My cell phone connection speed is very less, 0.61 Mbps download and 2.53 Mbps upload. But when I transfer or copy files, the transfer speed is around 4 Mbps approx. It means this process only requires connection, but it doesn't consume your internet data. So even if you don't have Wi-Fi connection, you can use your mobile handset to make Wi-Fi connection. One more proof I will give you. I am copying this 50.6 GB data from Windows 10 into Windows 7 system on another day on 3rd May 2021. This is the file UPSC lectures which I am copying. I'm copying it here. I will skip this copying process. Check this UPSC lecture folder, it is 50.6 GB in size. Now see usage date of my Wi-Fi connection on 3rd May 2021. Means this process doesn't consume your internet data. So feel free to use this method. Please like and subscribe this channel if this video helped you. Share this video to help someone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye friends.